Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to change your tyre. In the back of your car, you're going to have these. The jack, tyre spanner if you want to call it that, this funny looking tool, this little hook thing. Now what you're going to do is, put it under here, and you're going to find the little groove thing. I'll show you what that's like in a little second. Turn it up. Get onto that bit, put your hook through here, this bit in here, and we're going to use it like a wrench. Put it up. As you can see, the car's going up now. We leave it at that point there. Now, as you can see, I have a cheat device. Put that in there, foot on it, hold the wing, push. Hold the wing, push. Hold the wing, push. You see these are going out quite easily, you know, they're unscrewing quite easily. That's because I've already had them out. Push. Lock and wheel nut, pop that on. Put there, push. So we're now ready to jack it up. We'll need that. We just go like that. Up we go. So I'm just checking to see if the tyre's off the ground. That's the tyre off the ground now. Need this one again. Pop them in there. Keep spinning them round. There it goes, there's one. And the drive shafts. Wheel comes off, easy as that. I'm going to put the wheel back on now. So, we have a spare tyre at the side here. Always carry a spare tyre inside the back of the car when I'm doing driving lessons for this reason. Now you'll see where the puncture was and how it's been repaired. So all we do, lift them up, put them back on, steady the wheel with the foot, screw a nut in. And let's just put one of them round just so it's just tight and no more. That's it. I don't need my foot anymore. Pop that one on. I'm going to just screw that one right the way in. That's it. This because you'll be out in the middle of nowhere. However, I'm going to do something a wee bit of cheating. I'm going to just roll them up, roll them up, roll them up. Now don't allow anybody to use one of these when you're locking wheel nut. Nice and tight. Take that down there just now. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Now it doesn't matter if it's not tight because what I'm going to show you in a second is when we put the car down, down she goes. Jack all the way down, take that out, pull them out, put them in there. What you do now, get your wrench, pop them on there, hand on the wing, give it a wee push, that's all. That's it. Find that thread, that on there. Push push. Job done.